Thai language breakthrough, one prefix transforms everyday words into profound concepts. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Cody here, coming to you live from the heart of Bangkok. You know what I love most about my job teaching Thai? It's those magical aha moments when students suddenly get it, when the language clicks and their eyes light up with understanding. Let me tell you about something incredible that happened last week. I was having coffee with my American friend Sarah, who's been studying Thai for about 6 months. She was struggling to express some abstract ideas in conversation. Cody, she sighed, pushing her textbook away in frustration. I could order food and ask for directions, but whenever I try to talk about deeper concepts like happiness or truth, I just freeze up. I smiled and wrote down a simple 3-letter word on her notebook.
Kwam.
What's this? She asked, looking puzzled. This, I replied, is your new superpower. 2 days later, Sarah called me, practically shouting with excitement. Cody! I just had a 20-minute conversation with my Thai neighbor about the importance of education in Thai. And she understood everything. Friends, that's the power of
Kwam.
a tiny linguistic key that unlocks an entire universe of expression in Thai. It's like discovering a secret passage that instantly connects you to deeper, more meaningful conversations with Thai speakers. Imagine being able to transform simple words you already know into profound concepts with just one prefix. It's not magic, it's linguistics, but honestly, sometimes it feels magical when you see how it works. You know how in English we have to learn all these different ways to make abstract nouns? Like happy becomes happiness, true becomes truth, know becomes knowledge, each with its own unique transformation? Well, in Thai, there's one consistent pattern that works across hundreds of words. One prefix to rule them all. And today, I'm going to share this secret with you. After today's lesson, you'll be able to express concepts like cooperation, dreams, importance, knowledge, ability, truth, happiness, beauty, confidence, love, and success, all using the same simple pattern. This isn't just about adding words to your vocabulary. This is about exponentially expanding your ability to express yourself. It's about connecting with Thai people on a deeper level. It's about thinking in Thai, not just speaking it. Whether you're a beginner just getting comfortable with basic phrases, or you've been studying for years and want to break through to the next level, this lesson will be a game changer for you. So grab your notebook, clear your mind, and get ready to unlock one of the most powerful secrets of the Thai language. I promise you, after today, you'll never look at Thai words the same way again. Are you ready? Let's dive into the magical world of
Kwam.
the secret prefix that will transform your Thai from basic to brilliant in one simple step. Unlock the power of
Kwam.
the secret to forming Thai nouns. Unlock the power of
Kwam.
the secret to forming Thai nouns. Hello everyone! I'm Cody, and today I'm thrilled to be your guide on this fascinating journey to becoming a Thai speaker who blends in like a local. Have you ever wondered how Thai people express abstract concepts? You know, those big ideas like happiness, truth, or knowledge that we use every day. Well, today I'm going to let you in on one of Thai language's most powerful secrets, the magical prefix.
Kwam.
This tiny word is the key that unlocks an entire world of Thai nouns. Think of it as a special tool that transforms ordinary words into powerful concepts. It's like having a linguistic superpower. And the best part? Once you understand how it works, you'll be able to express complex ideas with ease. The magic of
Kwam.
So what exactly is Kwam? At its heart,
Kwam.
means substance, matter, or sense. It works by attaching to verbs, adverbs, and adjectives to create nouns that express abstract concepts. Let me break this down for you. In English, we might change true to truth or happy to happiness. In Thai, you simply add
Kwam.
before the word. It's that simple. Let's explore some common words that use this magical prefix. Cooperation.
ความร่วมมือ
When your Thai colleague says, we need your Kwam Romeo on this project, they're not talking about the physical act of working together. They're referring to the abstract concept of cooperation. For instance, if your boss is thanking everyone after a successful project, they might say,
ผมประทับใจในความร่วมมือของทุกคน ผมประทับใจในความร่วมมือของทุกคน
which means, I'm impressed with everyone's cooperation. Dreams.
ความฝัน
This isn't just about what happens when you sleep. It's about aspirations and hopes too. If you're sharing your life goals with a Thai friend, you might say,
เป็นความฝันของฉันที่จะเป็นนักเขียน เป็นความฝันของฉันที่จะเป็นนักเขียน
which means, it's my dream to become a writer. Importance.
ความสำคัญ
When discussing priorities in Thai, this word is essential. For example, a Thai teacher might tell students,
ความสำคัญของภาษาอังกฤษมีมากในโลกปัจจุบัน ความสำคัญของภาษาอังกฤษมีมากในโลกปัจจุบัน
meaning, the importance of English is significant in today's world. Knowledge.
ความรู้
This isn't just about facts you've memorized, it's about your whole body of understanding. When complimenting someone's expertise, you might hear,
ความรู้ของคุณในเรื่องนี้น่าประทับใจ ความรู้ของคุณในเรื่องนี้น่าประทับใจ
which translates to, your knowledge on this subject is impressive. Ability.
ความสามารถ
This refers to skills and talents that a person possesses. If you're hiring someone and discussing their qualifications, you might say,
เราต้องการคนที่มีความสามารถทางภาษา เราต้องการคนที่มีความสามารถทางภาษา
meaning, we need people with language abilities. Truth.
ความจริง
This is especially useful in serious discussions where facts matter. If you're trying to resolve a misunderstanding, you might say,
ความจริงของเรื่องนี้คืออะไร ความจริงของเรื่องนี้คืออะไร
which means, what is the truth of this matter? But wait, there's so much more. Let me share some additional words that use this wonderful prefix. Happiness.
ความสุข
When wishing someone well on their birthday, you might say,
ฉันหวังว่าคุณจะพบความสุขตลอดปีนี้ ฉันหวังว่าคุณจะพบความสุขตลอดปีนี้
meaning, I hope you find happiness throughout this year. Beauty.
ความสวยงาม
When admiring Thai architecture, you might comment,
ความสวยงามของวัดไทยทำให้ฉันประทับใจ ความสวยงามของวัดไทยทำให้ฉันประทับใจ
which means, the beauty of Thai temples impresses me. Confidence.
ความมั่นใจ
Before a presentation, a Thai colleague might encourage you with,
ความมั่นใจของคุณจะช่วยให้พูดได้ดี ความมั่นใจของคุณจะช่วยให้พูดได้ดี
meaning, your confidence will help you speak well. Love.
ความรัก
This is one of the most beautiful concepts in any language.
ความรักไม่จำเป็นต้องบอกเป็นคำพูด ความรักไม่จำเป็นต้องบอกเป็นคำพูด
Which means, love doesn't always need to be expressed in words. Success.
ความสำเร็จ
When congratulating someone on an achievement.
ความสำเร็จของคุณเป็นแรงบันดาลใจให้กับคนอื่น ความสำเร็จของคุณเป็นแรงบันดาลใจให้กับคนอื่น
Meaning, your success is an inspiration to others. What's fascinating about
ความ
is how it transforms the Thai language. With just this one prefix, you can express almost any abstract concept you need in your daily conversations. It's like having a special key that unlocks a whole new dimension of communication. My friends, understanding
ความ
is more than just learning a grammatical rule. It's about grasping how Thai people conceptualize the world around them. When you use
ความ
correctly, you're not just speaking Thai, you're thinking Thai. As we wrap up today's lesson, I want you to remember this: language learning isn't just about memorizing words and rules. It's about seeing the world through new eyes. Each time you use
ความ
To express an abstract concept, you're stepping a little deeper into the Thai mindset. So I challenge you, in the coming week, try to use at least 5
ความ
words in your conversations. Notice how it changes not just what you say, but how you think. Feel the satisfaction as your Thai friend's eyes light up when you express complex ideas naturally. Remember, the journey to speaking Thai like a local isn't about perfection, it's about progress. And today, with
ความ
in your linguistic toolkit, you've taken a major step forward. Until our next adventure in Thai, keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep discovering the beauty of this amazing language.
โชคดี
Good luck, everyone! Unlock a secret language hack that will transform your communication skills. Hey there, amazing language learners. Cody here, your guide to speaking like a true local in Thailand. Today, I want to share something absolutely game-changing with you. Imagine discovering one simple trick that instantly transforms basic words into powerful concepts. One prefix that works like magic to express deep ideas like happiness, truth, knowledge, and dozens more. You know what's frustrating about learning a new language? That moment when you can order food and ask for directions, but as soon as you want to express something meaningful, your thoughts, feelings, or abstract ideas, you hit a wall. I've seen this struggle countless times with my students. But what if I told you there's a single linguistic key that unlocks an entire world of expression? In today's lesson, we explore a special prefix that works like an instant concept maker. Just place it before words you already know, and suddenly you're discussing dreams, importance, abilities, and truth, topics that connect you with people on a deeper level. This isn't just another vocabulary lesson. It's about exponentially expanding what you can express. With just this one pattern, you'll be able to transform simple words into profound concepts that Thai people use every day. The best part? While English has all these complicated ways to form abstract nouns, happy becomes happiness, true becomes truth, the prefix we explore today follows one consistent pattern that works for hundreds of words. Talk about a language shortcut. After watching this video, you'll understand how to create and use abstract nouns in everyday conversation. You'll learn to express cooperation, dreams, importance, knowledge, ability, truth, happiness, beauty, confidence, love, success, and many more, all using the same simple formula. This lesson is perfect whether you're a beginner just getting comfortable with basic phrases or you've been studying for years and want to break through to the next level. I promise you, this will be a game changer. I invite you to watch this video multiple times. The first time to grasp the concept, the second time to understand the examples, and a third time to practice along with me. Each time, you'll absorb more of this powerful linguistic tool. Friends, learning a new language isn't just about memorizing words and rules. It's about seeing the world through new eyes. Each time you express an abstract concept using what you'll learn today, you're stepping deeper into thinking like a local, not just speaking like one. If you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications by clicking the bell. Your support allows me to continue creating content that helps bridge cultures and brings the beauty of this amazing language to people worldwide. With your encouragement, we can build a community of confident speakers who connect meaningfully with Thai culture. Remember, the journey to fluency isn't about perfection, it's about progress. And today, you've taken a major step forward. So, are you ready to unlock this linguistic superpower? Let's dive in.